Welcome back. Let's get the weather forecast from meteorologist Alison Pryor on this Storm Alert Weather Day. Alison, you've got maps that are going to show us exactly who is going to get what.
That's right, Calvin. So these are the severe outlook maps that are put out by the Storm Prediction Center. So for our local area, the time frame that we're really the most concerned about for that severe potential is about 6 p.m. this evening to 2 a.m. And this is Eastern time, so that means 5 p.m. Central time for Jackson County, DeKalb County, Marion, Grundy counties of our Central Time Zone folks. Here's kind of that bullseye. That's the orange area. That's that level 3 enhanced risk. And I'm going to zoom in a little bit closer, and you're going to see our far western communities, western portions of Grundy County, Marion County, Jackson and DeKalb counties. You're part of that enhanced risk, meaning numerous severe storms possible. Now, as the system tracks eastward through the night, it will be gradually weakening. So that's why you see that progression to that level 2, then the level 1, and then that pale green, meaning general thunderstorms further off to the east. But regardless of your exact color, I want you to kind of take home this message. We all need to be prepared for that potential for severe storms tonight. Now, the main threat are going to be damaging high winds. Unfortunately, isolated tornadoes will be possible. For this event in our local area, large hail is pretty unlikely. So let's focus on the wind and tornado risk. Here's those individual probabilities broken down, kind of the same vertical charts here, 30% to 15% to 5%. Now these percentages mean the risk of having a severe thunderstorm wind gust, so a 60-mile-per-hour wind gust, a severe thunderstorm warning within 25 miles of your location in there. The same can be said for this tornado map. And if you're watching this morning, there's a difference. We've seen some of these percentages go up on the tornado map. So again, we really want you to pay attention. The same thing, that 10% for our western communities, especially Jackson County, DeKalb County, but even that 5% probability right here for Chattanooga. That 2% chance includes Dalton, Cleveland, up to Athens as well. So make sure you have multiple ways to receive those weather alerts. Not just that tornado risk, but there's something called significant tornado risk. This is for those stronger tornadoes. EF2 to EF5, 10% or greater probability of having that within 25 miles. Let me zoom in a little bit, and you can see that does clip once again Jackson and DeKalb counties. So where is all of this coming from then? Here's the radar right now. Again, we really have quiet conditions. In fact, we have some spots that are seeing breaks in the clouds and a little bit of sunshine, which is going to help fuel those storms later. Now there's ongoing storms to the north and west of us, but it's really the branch that's down here where you see that cold front. That's the area we're going to be eyeing. The storms that are brewing, that are developing right now in Mississippi, as this moves to the northeast, those are the ones that are going to be moving into our area. So let's zoom in and see that. As we look ahead to about 3:30 this afternoon, a few individual pockets here and there are going to be possible. But again, I think by about 5-6 p.m., so that's 4 or 5 p.m. Central Time, that's really when we're going to see things ramping up across our area. And it's going to continue through the rest of the evening and night hours. Torrential rainfall possible. Again, those very strong winds and that isolated risk for a tornado. Here's 11 o'clock, still seeing all that red on the map. As this continues to push eastward, by 1 a.m., 2 a.m., the severe risk is going to be dwindling down for our eastern communities. Now, there's still going to be rain after 2 a.m. during the overnight hours, but it'll be just that, rain. This rain is going to wrap up by about 6 a.m. on Friday morning. Much colder air is going to drop into our area. And yeah, you are seeing some blue on the map. Even a chance for a few snowflakes up on the plateau, our eastern mountain communities, Friday morning into the afternoon as colder air comes in and clouds gradually clear out. That's going to lead us to quiet conditions for your weekend, so at least that's some good news. But today, very active. Breezy, warm this afternoon with a high of 72, but it's tonight that we want you to be weather aware for. Calvin?
Okay, thank you, Allison.